Welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I want to talk about, is affiliate marketing profitable in 2021? You may either be researching in how to get started with affiliate marketing and if it's right for you on how you can profit online, or you might be experienced or you've made some sales online and you're still kind of asking that question. Should I pursue affiliate marketing in 2021? What does that look like? Should I be, utilizing the time that I have on affiliate marketing, or should I be looking at doing something else? Now, while there are plenty of different ways to make money online, you can do Amazon KDP. You can watch a lot of my videos where I teach you how to make coloring books and journals and notebooks and publish those on Amazon to profit from that. A lot of people are doing that, and that works. It's a great business model and a good business to get into. Keep in mind, there is a learning curve when it comes to doing something like that. A lot of these businesses will have a learning curve, but one of the easiest ways to get started is affiliate marketing, sharing somebody else's product with somebody else, referring that traffic to somebody else. And that product usually sells itself, so you don't have to do a whole lot of selling, and then you get to profit a commission. And usually the commissions start off at 50%. That is pretty common. Sometimes the vendor is generous and give you higher than 50%, up to 70% or higher. And when it's a high ticket type item, a lot of times the commission on those are 30 or 40% or even lower. So let's jump in. I'm going to answer this question, what my opinion is on affiliate marketing, if you can be profitable in 2021. So let's go. So let me answer this question real fast. The simple answer is yes. Of course, affiliate marketing is, here to stay. It's been around for a long time, and online it's been around for 30 years, 25, 30 years, and it is booming, bigger than ever. Most companies that are doing anything online, that has any product, especially digital products, they are doing. They have an affiliate program, and there's a lot of different tools, better than ever, to get an affiliate program up to speed and get your affiliates signed up and selling your product for you. So there's just such a value that the partnership between an affiliate and a vendor, a product creator, the value is that the affiliate is going out and building that vendor and building that creator's business for them, right? You create a software, for example, and you spend $200,000 on that software. It takes you 12 months to develop. Well, what you can do is have affiliates come and sign up under your company, and they'll go out as salesmen and do all the selling for you, bring in all the traffic, and your software is so good, it's going to sell itself. And then you basically get to the product creator is happy, and then also the affiliates are happy. It's a win-win situation. It is just such a great business model. So I'm going to show you some of my results this month from promoting just 3 products. Now, the 3 products I'm talking about, I'm going to show you all the different money that has continued to come in. It's residual income month after month. I only had to do the work one time, and I continue to make sales every single month. So that's really cool about affiliate marketing. But these 3 products that I'm talking about in particular are just 3 products that I picked on Warrior Plus and sent out one email to my email list, made a couple sales there, and then I made 2 YouTube videos. That's all, maybe 2 hours at the most that I spent on Warrior Plus this month. And I think that you're going to see that the time spent versus how much I make is well worth it. So let's begin. So I'm over here on JV Zoo real fast. This is definitely not my biggest platform that I use. I usually use Warrior Plus, but you can just see I have sorted this out for this month right here. So it's for this month, January. It's January 29th, 2021. So this is just looking at January. I made $42 on that platform. We're going to come up over here, and I'm going to show you the back end of my Gumroad account. Now, Gumroad, I generally sell my own products on. But the cool thing is that there's only one product in the low content space that I reached out to the product creator. They approved me as an affiliate. And you can see right here when you're looking at my payments right here, that you'll see affiliate commission received. So I'm selling somebody else's Gumroad product. I made $54 that I'll be getting paid out that month, this Friday or next Friday, sorry. And then you'll come back over here, affiliate commission received $27. And then we'll come back down over here, affiliate commission received right here, $81.78 right there for that week. This is 1 week at a time. Affiliate commission received $27 on January 7th and so forth, right? So that's Gumroad affiliate, only affiliate activity. And then we're here on the big one. This one is definitely where I make the most affiliate commissions. So on Warrior Plus, I'm in my back end office, and you can see that this month, right? So if I go last month, was almost $700 in December. This month, I did not do a whole lot with it. Like I said, I only promoted 3 products and only 2 videos. I usually do at least a review video, and this time I didn't for one of the products. So this month, $469. I am keeping a tab on this. I'm going to show that to you in a sec right here in Excel. So all the money that I'm showing here, I have a tab in Excel, and then we're going to go over that. So then we go to another one. We're over here on bigproductsstore.com. It is my recommended best place to get products for private label rights products so that you can create your own products from. You can publish these. You want to make sure you rewrite the content and you want to rebrand it and do all that. But it definitely gives you a leg up and a head start on the product creation, portion of that. So I teach this in my PLR Profits Academy course, how to take PLR and then turn profit on it, and how to publish it on different platforms and even create courses and publish them on Udemy and that sort of thing. I'll leave a link below to my courses. So we're looking over here, and just right here, you'll see that you have from this month alone. It doesn't share the last name, so I think it's okay to share that. So we have 48.50 and then 8.50 right there. So then we go over here to a video creation software called Vidnami, and I will be expecting an $86 payout this month from Vidnami as well. Then we just keep moving forward to Spin Rewriter, and Spin Rewriter. Let's see what I have in the bucket right now. I have $38.50. Then we keep cruising, and Creative Fabrica. I don't do a whole lot with this on like trying to promote it or anything like that. But I just put a link in a few of my videos, and I've sold a few products. So I have $8.88 in there. And finally, Book Bolt commissions. I have signed up 28 people to the program, and this is residual, reoccurring commissions. So now that I've built this up to $100, I will get paid this every single month for as long as they keep the subscription. It's a really, really good software. So they do have a low turnover rate. So $111 from that platform as well. So if we took this and we pull up our Excel sheet real quick, just to look at it, right? So all those numbers that I showed you right there, and then we can do kind of a total on this real fast. Do a total on that. So you're looking at over $1,000 in January, and it's not even the end of the month yet, in affiliate commissions. So I made over $1,000 in affiliate commissions this month alone, and this has not been the big portion of my business. This isn't counting all the other money that I'm making from a lot of the other businesses. This is just one part of my business. I'm doing Amazon, and that is really increasing. I can't wait to do my income report that I'll be coming out with next week on my Amazon KDP coloring book business. And there's a lot of other different ways that I'm making money, but this just shows you the power of, I hope that you're getting this, that there wasn't just one platform that I showed you. Oh, I made $40 on this platform, and yes, you should do affiliate marketing. No, I showed you almost 10 platforms that I'm making money from every month from work that I did months ago, from maybe putting out a YouTube video. and then I continue to make sales from that. So, that's a huge advantage of affiliate marketing in 2021, using the power of, YouTube and Instagram and, all the different platforms. You can actually build a following, rank your videos and your profiles, and then you can make affiliate commissions. And so this just showed you that you can get involved with almost any platform, any company, sell almost any product, and you can make money from that. So to answer the question, I'm just getting back over here to this. To answer the question, is affiliate marketing profitable in 2021? I hope that I just showed you that it absolutely is, and it just continues to grow month after month. So if you are new to the channel, and you found value in this video, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my next videos. I plan on putting out a lot more video content like this. I do a lot of low content videos, but I also do a lot of other things online. So I want to share that with you guys. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. And I can't wait to see you next time. Take care.